Hello and welcome to another Keep Talking Nobody Explodes module tutorial. This time we're going to be taking a look at Semabols. Semabols is a very difficult mod based on the manual. However, I'll be using this manual. It doesn't really change anything other than the text, so it doesn't really matter. The module shows 8 symbols on the outside and 6 on the insides that are pressable. There will be 2 LEDs for each position, top left, top right, bottom left, and bottom right. So a total of 8 LEDs. And these will indicate which 4 buttons in here we need to press. So, to begin, let's find every single symbol on the outside ring here in the actual manual. This is a little bit of an annoying step, however, it is not that bad. Not this one. Wait. You were there. You were here. And you were here. One of them are gonna be missing. Like, you see here, there's one that's missing. That's intentional. So now, imagine this as being a cube. So this is the top layer of a cube. So if you were looking at the cube directly from the top, you would see these symbols. If you were looking at the left side, you would see these symbols, then these symbols, and then these symbols. However, we don't know what the top side of the cube is, nor the bottom. That'll be a 50-50 until we actually can confirm it. So, right now, we're gonna just assume that the thing I'm highlighting in green right now is the top face. So this is on the top, is what I'm gonna be assuming. So, now I'm gonna look for all things that have a top left LED. There's this thing. Where is this symbol in the manual? Well, this symbol's right here. Now, this, if you imagine like this, let me call your straws. Like so. This character right here is on the bottom, because this is on the top, this is on the bottom. If it's on the bottom, it is to be placed here by the exclamation point, because this is the bottom left. So we go to the middle, the bottom left. Then let's look at the other symbol that has an LED on the top left. That's this one. That is here, which is on the top middle, right here, because this is the top layer and it's the middle of the top layer, so it's top middle. So now, if you convert this into semaphore, it's gonna be southwest dot north, and it can also be north dot southwest. However, no, or wait, no, it can't. Yeah. So we find southwest dot north in here. Southwest dot north is a kilo. Now, kilo is, I can't remember the alphabet, so I'm gonna write it out. Kilo is the 11th letter in the alphabet. So now we're gonna count from the start of the top layer, which is this. We're gonna continue going, ignoring the very middle cell of the cube, and count 11 characters in, because we got a kilo, which is 11 characters in, and see if that is on the module. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 is this cell right here, and we see it's on the module. So this is a possible outcome. However, we still need to check for the possibility that if this is on the top, this would be correct. So let me put this down here. So this button right here, that would be 5 in rating order, is potentially correct. So I'm going to put a star next to that. Then we're going to do the same. However, we're going to imagine that this layer is on the top. If this is on the top, then it's going to be northwest by south. So we're going to find northwest by south. It's going to be a Charlie. Then we're going to go Charlie characters in, so, which is 3. So 1, 2, 3. Is this thing on the bomb? It is not. Since this thing is not on the bomb, that means that this is an invalid character and this is wrong. Which means that this layer, because the cube is same for all the symbols, which means this this thing right here that has the green ones is going to be the top layer of the cube for all of them. So then we need to find our other presses. For the top right of the cube, we have south, and then we also have southeast. Find south.southeast. That's going to be a golf. Count golf entries into the module, which is 7. That's going to be this character right here, which we have. So we're going to do 2. Keep in mind that this cell right here that I'm highlighting red is being skipped over because it's in the very middle of the cube. Kind of like a Rubik's cube. There's one cell of the 9 by or 3 by 3 by 3 cube that you can't see. That's the one in the very middle, and that one gets skipped over. So then we're gonna take the bottom left LED. That's gonna be southwest dot southwest by northeast. That is gonna be a Lima. Lima is a 12, so count 12 entries in. 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, which is going to be this, which is going to be a 4. And then we have bottom right. Bottom right is south dot south dot southeast, which is a golf. Count golf into it, which is gonna be this right here, which we have. So we're gonna press this into module 5.
Not
2.
the answer, I'm afraid.
Huh. Maybe I did a miscalculation for the second one. Let me retry and do it. Top right is on the bottom, so it's gonna be south. South dot south dot east. This is south dot east because I forgot this is east. So south dot east is gonna give us Foxtrot. Count Foxtrot's entries into it. That's gonna actually give us a 3. So we're gonna press. Does it reset on strike? Module the manual makes no. Let me use the other manual and see if that mentions anything about it. We'll clear my input. Alright, yeah, so it clears my input, so we're gonna do 5, 3, 4, 2.
Is an acceptable answer.
And that's solved Semabols.
Absolutely brilliant.
So here we have another example. Gonna clear this. We have We have you, you, and you. Yep. Then we have you and you. Yep. Then we have you, you, and you. Yep. For the sake of this, I'm gonna say this is the top layer. We will know if it's not gonna be the top layer eventually. There will be at least one character that's gonna disambiguate it. There is there's a rare case where if either is top or bottom, it leads to a valid character. If that happens, just look at another character, and that shouldn't disambiguate it. One of them will disambiguate it, so the answer will not be ambiguous. Looking at the top left, we get south dot east. South dot east is Foxtrot. Count Foxtrot into it, which is this, which we have. So that would be a 6. Let's quickly check if the contrary would work. If this is the top, then it's not going to be south.east, it's going to be north.east. North.east is going to be a J. J is 10, which is going to be this one up here, which we do not have, which means this is going to be the top layer, and 6 is going to be our first press. Top right LED, that is going to be south dot east. No, that's going to be a south dot west. The semaphore symbols can be mirrored. So south dot west is the same as west dot south. So I can't get south dot west. However, I can't get west dot south, which is a Bravo. We're gonna go Bravo, which is this right here, which we have, which is gonna give us a 1. So there we had to mirror the way that they were placed. Bottom left, that gives us east dot southwest. We're gonna do southwest dot east, which is a Mike. Mike is a 13. That's this symbol up here. That's gonna give us a 2. Bottom right is gonna be that's gonna be southeast dot south. Wait, northeast dot south. Northeast dot south. I don't like you saying there's a northeast dot south, so we're gonna find south dot northeast. South to northeast is echo. Echo is gonna be that's gonna be this. We're just gonna be a 3. Now, again, this middle character right here is ignored. So if I was to count 15, I do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, then 14, 15, which would be this symbol right here. But anyways, 6, 1, 2, 3, and the module solves. That is how you do Semabols. Thank you for watching.